Hi guys, today I will be explaining about how to watch Disney Plus with a VPN. This process will be simple and easy. The first thing is open your computer browser. And in the search bar you have to search for Disney Plus. On the top you can see the option Disney Plus. Tap on it. And you will see this option. Sorry, Disney Plus is not available in your region. It's because of Disney Plus is not available in all region. So now we will explore how can we watch Disney Plus with the help of a VPN. You can find a lot of VPN. By using that you can change your location and can access to that location where Disney Plus is available. But I think this VPN will be more better than anyone. Simply open the Windows Store. And once it will be open in the search bar, you have to search for Hotspot Shield and download this VPN. It's free. Once it will be open, tap on the option open. Ignore this message and tap on this arrow icon which is on the left top of this pop-up and tap on the option connect. You can use Disney Plus because your location will be changed and then you can get access to that location where Disney Plus is available. And it was the way by which you can use Disney Plus from anywhere with the help of a VPN.